All right, fourth graders, today for writing, we're gonna be kind of just taking our time and getting back into the swing of things. So for writing today, we've been working on persuasive essays, but we'll kind of jump back into that tomorrow. Our goal for writing today is I can build writing stamina with using correct punctuation and capitalization. Remember, stamina means you can do it for a long time. So hopefully you can build that up. Hopefully, I want you to, for the next 20 minutes, 25 minutes to be writing. Um, and what you're going to be doing is just telling me what's going to go on through your typical day. So this distance learning. So what I'd like you to do, go to Writer's Workshop, click that Add Response, and it should bring you to the notepad. So all you're going to do is double click. What I'd like you to do is walk me through a typical day um, over your break. Okay. Again, make sure you're using those capital letters, the punctuation, and since a typical day, the morning, the afternoon, and the evening, you should have 3 paragraphs. So go ahead and make sure, tell me what you do typically. Obviously, you wake up. Do you have breakfast right away? Do you go down? Do you make breakfast? Do you wait till breakfast is cooked for you? Do you watch TV? Do you hang out with a sibling? Do you play a game? Make sure you tell me kind of what you do on a typical day over break and what you've been doing. So again, 3 paragraphs, what your morning looks like, what your afternoon looks like, and then at the end, your evening when you usually go to bed over break, and then how that's going to probably change now since we're back into the distance learning piece of this. So, again, 3 paragraphs. Remember how you skip a line would be for that enter. So I should see that 3 paragraphs in there, and remember those capitalizations and periods we're looking for are important as well. So, best of luck. Let me know if you have any questions.